name is Dallas Steiner, CEO of Venture Products. This year we're celebrating our 20th anniversary for Ventrac. It was exciting for me when our marketing department come into my room and said, you know what could we do for our 20th anniversary? We have a budget. I had to think to myself, as a company, how could we give back? How could we do something for someone else? And so just being in Ukraine a couple times and realizing that YWAM was there, a ministry, and as we dialogued and understood their ministries of working with kids, working with orphans, working with families, working with refugees, working with the soldiers that come back from the conflict, widows, and then also in their education and their ministries that they did with that.
We run all kinds of programs focused on various areas, and our heart really is to train people to go into every area of society, you know, whether it's church, whether it's science and technology, whether it's government, whether it's business, whether it's the arts. That's what we're trying to do. We want to raise new leaders in those areas. The state orphan system is just rough. They say there's 100,000 orphans in Ukraine.
All the orphans are actually in the state-run orphanage facilities. So they are there from whatever age they were taking from the family or lost their parents to 18. So at the age of 18, they are released into the society. And they have no basic skills, like how do you shop, how do you budget, how do you wash your clothes. So all of that was missing.
And the other thing is society just does not accept the orphan. Once an orphan, always an orphan. That's the phrase in Ukraine. They'll do anything to survive. They'll steal, they'll cheat, they'll lie, and that's the case. So that's our heart, is to help break those barriers, break those walls, and get them out of that environment and onto our property where it's peaceful. It's a place where we can just pour into them.
They have 8 acres there. They have a lot of snow. They need to remove the snow. They have acreage to mow. It really made an impact on me, like, you know what, they need a Ventrac. What we're going to do is we're going to donate a tractor with 3 attachments, a 4500 series tractor with a mower deck, a power bucket, and a blade. Everybody that's involved through laser, through fabrication, through welding, and then when it gets painted and assembled, we're going to be able to offer that tractor and bless that tractor to go over to Ukraine. And one of the reasons why it's going to be so helpful for them is they do have some other pieces of equipment that are very old though, and they would like to replace that and be a lot more efficient for them, and also the maintaining. A lot of stuff doesn't get maintained if you don't have the proper equipment to do it. So it's going to be nice to really maintain the YWAM base there. That's really the art of, I believe, why we're here on this earth, to be a support and help to others around the world and in our own local community. It's exciting to get our whole company involved to donate a tractor to the YWAM base in Kyiv, Ukraine.
Teşekkür ederim.
Muito obrigada!
Rahmet!
Maraming salamat po.
Merci beaucoup.
Дякую.
Bye, dankie. Vielen lieben Dank.
Nagyon szépen köszönjük. Spasiba. Merci beaucoup. Дякую.
Ramba Nandri!
To everyone at Venture Products, thank you so much for this gift of donating this tractor. It's just such a blessing to us. We cannot say thank you enough.